Dick Rochfort here. Meridian Mike 600. M600 726 Golf Bravo.
36 Bravo, contact heading approach 119.2.
Short instructions.
119.2, 726 Golf Bravo.
Chattanooga Airport information, Romeo, time 1553 Zulu, wind 32014.
Chattanooga approach Meridian 726 Golf Bravo, 9000.
Minus 01,
Meridian 726 Golf Bravo, Chattanooga approach, customer is 3019, turn 15 degrees right, vectors ILS runway 2.
15 degrees right, vectors ILS runway 2. I'd love to request the RNAV if possible.
6 Golf Bravo, roger. Turn 15 degrees right, vectors RNAV runway 2.
You didn't like that? I'd love to.
726 Golf Bravo, turn 15 degrees right, vectors RNAV runway 2.
15 degrees right, vectors RNAV runway 2, 726 Golf Bravo.
76 Golf Bravo, is it still full stop?
Yes, full stop.
Roger.
Unless you want to do a low approach only. Have we done a low approach?
Golf Bravo, just to maintain 3,600.
3,600, 76 Golf Bravo.
It's up to you. It's
no, I'd
you know,
like to do what we normally.
I think a landing is useful.
Yeah.
So what we're up to here is training flight, a short landing and taxi-pack takeoff at Chattanooga, Tennessee level.
6 Alpha Charlie, contact tower 118.3.
And the drill here is to pick up an IFR clearance
tower 118.3.
out of a non-tired airport, get en route, get the ATIS, get set up for the approach, the one you want, not the one ATC wants you to have, and then get this beautiful panel all set up to do all the things that we got to do without much delay. So we have approach here, and for the pilot, the approach is
Golf Bravo flighting 150.
150, 726 Golf Bravo.
So we're in the descent now, vectors for the RNAV runway 2. And we have loaded the full approach. No, we loaded vectors to final, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Okay. Well, and that'll most likely work out that way. It's, I think, always best to load the course reversal if one exists. And the purpose of that is to be ready in the event that we need a course reversal. So at the risk of interrupting you from what you're doing, would you consider reloading the approach with the course reversal? Still there, right. And now FIDGO is where you have that course reversal. Right. Let's have a look. So you have FIDGO the initial and FIDGO the hold. And in the event that you've forgotten how to deal with that, he's going to vector us more than likely inside of FIDGO the initial. And we're going to want to activate the leg from FIDGO. You don't want to, well, you could do it now. We're on a heading, so cover FIDGO the hold and ask it to activate leg to that waypoint.
Is that what you want?
I think so. Let's see how it loads up. Nope, that didn't work out. Okay, so go back to the flight plan and choose the FAF. ATC say, oops, no bumps here, activate leg 2 waypoint, and even if he vectors you outside of that leg, which he probably won't, you'll still get an active approach.
We were looking for the RNAV for 30 vectors, but we'll take 2 feet.
Alley 64, contact Atlanta Center 132.05. Good day, and I'll come back soon. So Street 5387, descend to maintain 6,000. November 9er, correction 726 Golf Bravo, descend to maintain 3,000. You're 7 miles from Mort, turn left heading 050, maintain 3,000 until established on the final approach course, clear for the RNAV runway 2.
Cleared for the RNAV runway 2.
050, 3,000.
Sir, and I misspoke, you're 5 miles from CK, final approach fix, cleared RNAV runway 2.
Didn't understand a word he said.
Okay, it's 050 in the heading, 3,000, clear for the RNAV runway 2, 726 Golf Bravo.
Mafia 906, turn right, heading 110.
110, my sensor.
You got on that approach now.
I'm unable to vector for the RNAV, the 33. I can give you IOTA, or you can take vectors.
All right, you think it through. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Answer 2, contact Atlanta Center 127.85 today.
Train off it.
85, good day, Lancer 2.
Tower 3766, Fleming.